I've got my new MacBook Air 15-inch M5, but we're not here to talk about this today. I'm about to travel and I need something to put it in and protect it. And that's where the Journey Nexa Lift laptop sleeve with wireless charging stand comes in. Let's take a look. Hi tailoring talkers, welcome back to the channel. Roberto here with a quick unboxing, but more than the unboxing, I want to show you this amazing laptop sleeve from Journey. It's the Nexa Lift, and as well as acting as a sleeve for your MacBook, and I already have one for my 14-inch MacBook Pro, although it doesn't have the lift function, it also acts as a desk mat. So it will protect your laptop and you can drop it from a height, nothing's gonna happen. Carry the thing around, but it also has a USB-C connector which allows you to charge your AirPods and your iPhone whilst you are on the move. So let's open this up and take a look. This video is also dedicated to my co-host John, who is quite interested in one of these. So I should also say, do all the YouTubey stuff, support the channel, please like, subscribe, check out our channel memberships. It really helps our little channel to continue growing, and we really thank you all for being here. But I also want to mention that I paid for this with my own money. We were not sponsored by Journey. This is a completely open, honest review about something that I've actually bought, and that means I can say whatever the hell I want. This is where it gets awkward when you're not doing a top-down unboxing, but we've got some very Apple-like pull tabs each side of this. I'll just lift the lid up here. I am going to do a review of the MacBook Air. I didn't bother doing a longer unboxing of it because, quite frankly, it was boring. There was no charger in the box. It was just a cable, a bit of paperwork. But, you know, here she is in blue. She's actually quite gorgeous. I went 15-inch this time. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that. Make sure you're subscribed because there will be a video about that coming soon. So here's our laptop sleeve. Right, let's see what we've got in the box underneath first of all. So in here, this has got to be the USB-C cable. Yep, there we go. So you connect one end to your sleeve and that charges your MagSafe charging puck for the iPhone and for your AirPods, and then you connect the other end to a power source. So very simple there. I'm actually going to leave that out because I'm going to take that with me on my travels. Saves me looking for another USB-C cable. It's a nice thing, we're also a completely USB-C house now. And then we've got another little thing here, and that's got some Journey stickers. And then we've got some regulatory information, some customer support info, and then we have an attachment tool for the back of your phone. And I never know why these are included. So if anyone does know, please tell me in the comments. I don't know if it's for people that don't actually have MagSafe or something. Who knows? I can't get this back in. Right, on with the main event. Here's our sleeve. I went for this sort of sand color. So we've got this sort of sand leatherette thing on one side, and then we've got this sort of very nice gray fabric on the other. The Nexa case, the sort of lid for it is quite thick because this is the bit that houses all the tech. So you've got your little sort of wireless charging pad here for your iPhone, and I reckon this will take an Apple Watch as well. Then here is where you've got your MagSafe for your phone. So let's just put our MacBook in here first of all. Goes in beautifully. 15-inch laptop of any kind is not, you know, a small device. This is, as I say, the 15. This case will take a 16-inch MacBook Pro as well. Then if we pop the MacBook down here, and I just open that up, there's my M2 there. So the case itself operates like a really cool sort of desk mat. On this side of it, so what you would do, charging thingy just on the side here, and you plug this in, and then we plug the other bit into our MacBook. So you're powering this off your MacBook. Obviously you could do it from an external charger as well, but we're going to do this off the MacBook. And then I don't have a spare iPhone here to show you, but this bit here lifts up. So you can actually have your iPhone here, you know, sort of be looking at it, and then you can charge your AirPods case over here. So this is a really, really great sort of all-in-one solution for people that do travel a lot with their MacBooks and sort of work all over the place, etc. So yeah, there you go. That's all there is to say about it, really. So that's the Journey Nexa Lift laptop sleeve with wireless charging for both your iPhone and your AirPods. I'm just gonna see if I can actually charge my Apple Watch on this. I might need to just take one end of the strap off. Right, okay, I think I can categorically tell you that you cannot charge your watch on this, which is actually kind of a shame because I frequently find myself running out of juice at inopportune times. There we go. Otherwise I'm really, really happy with it. I'm going to be traveling with it for the next week. So I'm really, really looking forward to testing this whole setup out while I'm abroad. Thanks very much for watching. Again, remember to like, subscribe. If you've got any questions about the Journey cases or even the MacBook Air M5, because I need to start filming that review video and put this thing through its paces, please do drop those questions in the comments below and I'll be sure to address them. Thanks as ever for watching. I'll see you on the next one.